came to buy freezer or fridge. So you are telling me I should choose Midea or I choose Midea or bruhm. So I came to this place and I'm confused. I don't know which one to choose. I don't know if I should choose Midea product or bruhm products for chest freezer, like 150 liters. One thing about freezer is that I wanted to buy fridge anyway, but one thing about fridge is that according to my sister, when once there is no light, possibility that everything is just black out and there's no space for, So although fridge is good, so what do you guys think? Should I go ahead and buy the Midea products, the inverter, or is it inverter? Yeah, the inverter products like this one, or the normal Midea. This one is cooker. The normal Midea freezer. I'm so confused. So guys, let's consider that I know the one I will buy. Have you used Midea product before? If you have used it, please, honestly, review it for me so that I will know if I put my food and it got frozen, like, is it gonna retain the food and the coldness for like 2-3 days? So yeah, it's up to 3 minutes.
1 minute, 42 minutes.
Yeah. So, and one good thing about this, according to the supplier, he said that if I'm using inverter, that if there is low current, that there is possibility I can still, the freezer will still be on. You get, it will still be on and still be working perfectly. But if I'm buying normal freezer that doesn't have inverter, that when there is no like low current and current fluctuation, the food I put inside my freezer might be able to, everything will go cold, and my food can spoil like within a day. It might be up to 2 days. So I think with the explanation, which one do you want me to buy? Should I buy the normal freezer or the inverter? I think I should be going for the inverter. Reason is that in my area, like, we don't have constant lights. That is number one. And number two, I don't know, I've not used it before. Number two, why I'm considering inverter because of low current consumption. Like, it doesn't consume lights. Yeah, it doesn't consume lights. So let me get your suggestion of current.